Parang akong sinaing na pinatungan ng hotdog. Ay, Koreana nga siya. Annyeonghaseyo. Because this is all over my FYP on TikTok and I've been wanting to try this because meron silang shade na fantasy ko. Fantasy! This Laka Fruity Glam tint. So I have here 10 shades and I'll be showing you guys the swatches of each shade. And i-share ko rin sa inyo guys yung favorite shade ko sa tints na to. Here's the 10 shades and as you can see, they're very glowy and juicy. So I think I'm gonna use 2 shades for my lips. I'm gonna mix them up using the shade 136 and 102. Para akong nagbibingo. And by the way, this is what it looks like kapag nag-stain na siya. Oh, I'm the right shade, guys. It's giving my lips but better. And here's what it looks like. And habang hinihintay ko siya mag-stain sa lips ko, I'll be using this also as my blush on. So it looks like this, guys. The stain looks like this. And for my second lip choice is the shade 136. Mas darker siya ng very, very light. Oh wait, I think mali ako ng pagkaka-blend. OMG! Mali ako ng nagamit na base. Instead of 136, which is the lighter shade pala, I used the 102, the darker shade, na dapat ilalagay ko sa inner corner ng lips ko. So I guess, one shade lang yung magagamit ko for my lips. Let's look for another darker shades for this one. Sayang pa naman yung expectation ko. Hindi namit ng sarili ko. I told you, it's pink. Talagang hindi na kontento sa isang blush. Grabe yung pigment niya. Grabe na yung blush on ko. Parang akong sinaing na pinatungan ng hotdog. Here. Isa pa. Perfect niya. Ay, Koreana nga siya. Annyeonghaseyo.